It's Savannah Rahman.
Alright, bro, look, we're here.
Famous Savannah House.
Yes, we're here, but listen. My mum's gonna be in.
Yeah.
My mum's a bit. I told you already, Mum's mum. If she asks you anything weird, if she looks at you in a weird way, if she says anything weird, if she touches you in a weird way, my guy, don't respond.
But that's like...
Don't respond. Be rude. Okay, say your hellos, and then we'll go to my room, and I'll beat you at Fortnite.
Yeah. You can try. Beat your mum at Fortnite.
What?
Nothing. Let's just go play Fortnite, as you said. Don't say hi to mum, walk past, and... Alright, cool.
Mum? Mum? Come on, boy, can you get me up? Come on, boy, you're the big enough. Come on, boy. Hey, take it. Hey. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Mom! What? We have company? What are you doing? FYI, why are you dancing like that? I thought you was a Christian. Not every day sing praise the Lord and read the Bible, you know. As them say, the Lord made the world and everything in it in 6 days. Even upon the 7th day, him take a rest. And who knows? Maybe he was doing just like me. I broke it down.
Go on, Miss Mum.
See, Ivana, even your white cracker friend like it. You can't say that. What am I saying? Cracker. You can't say cracker. You can't say cracker anymore. It's like him saying the N-word. You just can't do it. The N-word? Yes, the N-word. Nigerian? I said Nigerian. Cause if him call me Nigerian when me is a Jamaican, why all hell will I broke loose?
I would never call you a Nigerian. Like, bro, if anything, I'd probably just call her a nigger.
Don't even think about it. Anna, let them put your hand. Come here, my white chocolate milky boyfriend. Come here. Come here. Oh, him hurt you? Oh, mean like, go and go sit down. Oh, you know what? Me I go look after you, alright? Why don't you stay for dinner?
Really?
Yes, man. Stay for dinner.
You know what? Just to show how grateful I am, I even cook.
You are go cook?
Yeah.
You are go cook?
No.
Vanna, you have a nice friend. You do not want him to cook us dinner. Shut up your mouth! Whenever, without me I say so, you go on the kitchen and go cook something. Never is the answer. Never.
A bad child.
Him very bad. So where you go cook?
Guys, it's a surprise.
Surprise?
Yeah.
Boy, me love surprises.
I'm gonna cook you something Generian.
Generian? Vanna? What's a Generian?
He means Jamaican and Nigerian food. My leg. I don't know, man.
taking him so long? Why am I hungry?
Alright, here it is. Dig in, my home Skittles.
Question. What is that?
Come on, you know what this is.
My youth, me don't know what that is.
Yeah, you do. It's, it's jerk rice.
Jerk what?
You know, like rice with jerk.
My youth, how are you just said to me? The man said jerk rice. We don't have no such thing as jerk rice. We have jerk pork. We have jerk chicken. We don't have no such thing as jerk rice. It was me thinking say you was cool. You was not cool. You for fool. Y'all really start to annoy me. God better come down and bless me. Because right now y'all the man said jerk rice. Jerk rice.
But like, all white people cook this. It's, it's because we learned it from like that really good chef that really knows about Generians. Jamie Oliver.
Jamie who?
Jamie Oliver.
The man said Jamie Olive Oil. What you want to talk about?
I mean, I got you something else. Like, I mean, Devon said you guys are black, right? And this says black, grey. So you want some?
I told you so. K.A. my favorite.